We wanted to start a business, and our passions were craft beer, hot sauce and music, and we figured that those three things went together really, really well.
It's been a really interesting journey. I think what we found is a lot of things are a lot harder than we thought they would be, but what's been really easy has been the software side of things. So we've been working with Vend, obviously, for our point of sale, and also integrating that with Xero for our accounting. And for someone like myself whose numbers are not my forte, it's been incredible, and I've actually become a bit of a bean counter. So we use it obviously as our customer-facing point of sale, and we find that amazing just because for the look of it. We use the iPad app, and for people coming in store wondering where the clunky old cash register is, it's always a talking point with a lot of customers.
So we use Vend to do all our inventory management. That's been really, really great for that, especially with a product like craft beer. Certain lines fly off the shelf, and inside Vend it lets you know what's selling fastest, and it also lets you set a level at which you should order more from the brewery, and so that makes it really fast and really easy. Also really intuitive. We didn't even look at the iPad app until about 15 minutes before we opened the doors, because we were so busy with everything else, right? And so when we actually loaded it up and put it there in front of our first customer, it was just really, really simple.
Vend point of sale has helped enormously. I think anyone that's starting a business for the first time, it can be very daunting, and I think what we really wanted to do was to find a way to make things as easy as possible and take out the complexity where we could, because there's a lot of other stuff that is crazy complex and hard and challenging, keeping you up with sleepless nights. But the one thing we found that wasn't a pain in the bum was Vend. What's good about running a retail store is it feels like a party every day almost. That's probably because we're selling alcohol.
I recommend anyone thinking about following their dream as such to dive right in and do it.